Deep breathing has its own value, but shallow breathing is also a boon, especially for people who have asthma, bronchitis, or any respiratory related problems. While deep breaths are ideal, but short, shallow breaths give a kind of a hope to a person in the time of need when he or she is getting an asthma attack. It helps them breathe without hyperventilating and giving tension to any other respiratory areas. Now, clavicular breathing, as it helps at that point of time, okay, you need to understand which are the clavicular muscles. So, clavicular is here, which is commonly called as collarbone muscles. Now, these are the muscles that are used the most when a person is having an attack and is actually literally dying for breathing properly. So these muscles can be used and they are a big boon. But how do you keep them in shape? Because when you do clavicular breathing in asthma attack, what happens is after some time you realize this area starts getting strained. There is a pain because these are not the muscles which are supposed to be just breathing and helping you out. So clavicular breathing practice is very important for people who have any kind of respiratory problems. How do you do it? You just use your fingertips and the thumb tip. You place the fingers on the collarbone here and the thumb tip at the back. Raise your elbows, close your eyes, and simply focus on the collarbone. In the initial phase, you may not feel much movement, but slowly with practice, you realize that there is a slight outward movement when you are inhaling and inward movement on exhalation. You can try this on your own, but don't make it too obvious. Otherwise, you'll start taking deep breathing instead of and diaphragmatic breathing instead of practicing and strengthening these muscles. Those who have frozen shoulder or any such neck strain can keep their fingers pointing upwards and elbows pointing downwards and do the same practice. So hold on to this hope whenever you have any breathing problem. But remember, deep breathing is the one that strengthens your lungs. Try and train both. Remember, every breath counts. Keep practicing. See you soon. Namaste.